AQUOS Fish Me Inflatable Pontoon Boat Backpack Series is not only a boat, but also a perfect mate that can accompany with you anytime to anywhere you want to go. Its portability and lightweight, so you can store it in any corner of your room or trunk. They don't require a trailer, so you can carry them to the most remote, hard-to-reach locations where fish hide most. The great feature of Backpack Series Pontoon Boat is far simpler to set up than most other fishing boats. The entire process takes only 3 steps and nearly 15 minutes. First, lay out the pontoon tube and inflate. Ensure the air valve is closed. It usually takes 3 to 4 minutes by foot pump. Second, install the floor panels on top of the pontoon tube. It takes 3 to 4 minutes. Third, install the panel connectors and fixed with screws. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Military marine grade PVC, 120 mm thicker aluminum floor. Engineering grade composites component. EVA anti-skid pad with gum. Quality is our culture. We take pride in 3-year warranty. Only replace, no repair. The maximum weight capacity of 8.8-foot pontoon boat is 450 pounds and can meet your different requirements. 4 individual air chambers, including a patented design of 2 side air chambers, provide the highest level of safety and performance. Attachable and comfortable rowing oars. Ergonomic carry handle, 2 in front, 2 in the stern for easy handling convenience. 4-inch bottom rubber strike. AQUOS Fish Me Inflatable Pontoon Boat can be assembled both transom trolling motor or gas motors and bow mount trolling motor. The stainless steel guard bar can provide extra stability and safety. With the fishing bag, side storage bag brings more convenience to lurers. The comfortable padded seat rotates 360 degrees for unlimited casting angles. The aluminum floor is flat, and you can equip different kinds of fishing gear, such as fish finder, navigator, navigation light, mushroom anchor.